On today's video, we are going to be making use of free AI tools to get more views on YouTube in 2025. Now, these AI tools, they are very convenient to use and they will get you more views. If they can work for me, these AI tools can work for you as well. But before we get started, if you are new here, my name is Rookie Rich, and on this channel I teach tips on how to make money online, side hustle ideas, and how to start a YouTube channel from scratch. I also coach new YouTubers that need one or two services to get monetized on YouTube, how to go about that. Okay, so if this is the type of content that you come on the internet to look for today, Rookie Rich is right for you, and welcome to join the community. These three AI tools I'm going to be mentioning on today's video. I am going to be explaining step by step and how they work ends in hand. Now, the first AI tool I want to mention is YouTube. YouTube has actually brought out a free AI tool that will help you to bring out the trendy ideas on YouTube. I believe everyone has access to this, so let me show you how to go about that. The first thing you want to do is to go over to your YouTube studio. Okay, you can make use of the app and you can make use of the website version. Then you want to click on analytics. So when you click on analytics, it's going to take you right to this page where you can see trends, overview, content, and audience. So what we're actually dealing with on today's video is trends. So I'm just going to click on trends. YouTube has made it easier for every creator on its platform to get title ideas in their niche. Okay, so YouTube AI has made life a lot easier. It has automated the process for us. So let's say, for example, your niche is prayer niche. So what you're just going to do is to type in something like prayer search. Okay, it says not enough info for your audience. Why? Because it is still a new YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm just making use of that for the purpose of today's video. So these are the searched on YouTube. Let me click on this. As you can see, YouTube AI is able to get us all the title ideas that people are currently searching for on a day-to-day basis on YouTube. So for you to know the one that will actually get you views, for example, this one, the first one, music to listen to while praying, it has low volume. And the second one, say a little prayer for you, it has high volume. So if you take this title and you create content on this title, there's high chances that your video will rank on search term. YouTube will recommend your video, YouTube will suggest your video, and your video will get view because people are currently searching for this title that has high volume. So you will see a lot. You remember I searched prayer, so as you can see, this is prayer for protection, prayer music on YouTube. So these are what people are currently searching for. So let me just go back and show you guys something. So these are the videos that people are currently watching on YouTube based on their niche. So you'll be able to see recently watched video on your niche when you come to this page, when you come to this trendy page, and you'll be able to create content on that niche. As you can see, one day ago, this one has 64,000 views. Pray this to focus on your mind. 2 days ago, this one has 83,000 views. So if you want to create content, YouTube AI has made the process a lot easier. It has also made the process already for us. You don't have to stress. The stress has reduced. Okay, so if you take this title now and you create content based on a similar title, and if you don't even know how to generate title yourself, or you don't even know how to repurpose title, don't worry, the second AI tool on today's video is actually going to do that for us. So you don't want to come on YouTube and you put a title that has trended 2-3 years ago. You want to make use of a title that is currently trendy. You want to create content on a title that is currently trendy 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 weeks ago, 1 week ago. So that is what you want to focus on. Okay, so this is the first AI tool that has made life a lot easier for content creators in 2025. Now that you already have your trendy title ideas from YouTube AI, the next thing I want you to do is to go to deepseekai.com. If you're not familiar with how DeepSeek works, it's a free AI tool just like ChatGPT that you can give it any prompts and it will generate to literally anything that you need to know. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to go to DeepSeek and to take that title that YouTube has already generated for us because we don't want to use the same thing. Okay, so we want to go to DeepSeek to help us change some words and to make it a trendy keyword field title so that the video you are putting out there will attract lots of viewers. Aside attracting viewers, it will also rank side by side with top YouTubers in your niche. So let us do that. What I am actually going to do now is to click on search on YouTube, and I am going to copy this particular title, say a little prayer for you. No, this is short. I am not going to copy that. Let me copy this other one, morning prayer before you start your day. Now what I am going to do is to come over to my phone browser and search for chatdeepseek. This is it, chatdeepseek. I'm already a member, so automatically I am logged in. If you are new to chatdeepseek, just search it online. You will log in for totally free. So that one is morning prayer before you start your day. Before you start your day. Okay, I'm just going to write something like change this title grammatically make it catchy, simple, and keyword field for it to rank. This is the secret, guys. This is it. Okay, so I just type in something like change this title grammatically, make it catchy, simple, and keyword field for it to rank. This is the title, morning prayer before you start your day. Let me just add morning prayer before you start your day. So let me just click on search. Okay guys, so chatdeepseek is able to generate this title for us. Powerful morning prayer to start your day with peace, gratitude, and blessing. Now let us compare it with this morning prayer before you start your day. This one is powerful morning prayer. Powerful alone has already made it catchy. Okay, anybody that come on YouTube to search for morning prayer, powerful alone has made it catchy. Gratitude, blessing, it has made it catchy. Okay, so it says this title is grammatically correct, catchy, and packed with keyword like money, like prayer, like start your day, like peace, like gratitude, like blessing, to make it rank. Okay, so this is actually a good one. And if you don't want this title, you can ask it to give me another or give me 5. So it is actually going to generate lots of titles for you that you can use. No stress. Okay, look at another title right here, daily morning prayer, evoke God's guidance and strength to begin your day right. So this is, oh my god, this is like one of the best AI to start, getting views on YouTube. Now that you know how to generate title ideas from DeepSeek AI, the last AI tool I want to touch on is vidiq. Okay, I am sure everyone here knows how vidiq works. If you don't understand how vidiq works, vidiq is an AI-powered app where you can generate keywords idea, trending tags, if your title is right, and so on and so forth. So let me quickly show you how to get that done. But the first thing you want to do is to go to your app store and download vidiq. This is vidiq. Okay, so this is the vidiq. This is what it is actually going to look like. It's telling me to upgrade, but that is not the purpose of today's video. So I currently have vidiq on my phone. What I am going to do is to click on vidiq. This is the vidiq I have on my phone, and this is the last video I posted on YouTube. So this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so if you click on this icon, this one that says generate, then you want to go back to DeepSeek AI and copy the title that DeepSeek AI has already generated for you. This is it. I'm just going to click on copy, and I'm going to paste it right here. Then generate. For those of you that don't have thumbnail, it is also going to generate you a thumbnail idea that you can use. You can take inspiration from and repurpose it Okay, as you can see, vidiq is able to generate a thumbnail for us. I can just click right here and I will be able to download my thumbnail. Now thumbnail has already been downloaded. I can use this. I can just go to Canva and make some changes, you know, edit it to what I like, and write some text right here. So vidiq is able to generate another title for us, which is ranking 77% on search board on YouTube. It says, wake up to a day filled with peace and blessing. But I want to make use of the title that DeepSeek has already generated for us. So this is a script. Like, it is funny that artificial intelligence can do so much for us, so much than we expect. I am okay with my title, so I am not going to make use of the title that vidiq generated for me. However, I am going to make use of the keyword, the tag, and the script, okay, and the thumbnail. So I have downloaded this thumbnail. Look at a script. I am challenging myself to wake up every morning for a week and fill my day with peace and blessing. Even the script alone is keyword filled, so you just want to copy it and paste it somewhere, and you can make use of this script for yourself. Okay, we are making use of the free vidiq version. If you want to get a voiceover from vidiq, that is if you are focusing on faceless channel, then you can just pay a little amount of money and upgrade your plan. So these are the tags that vidiq is able to generate for us. I am making use of prayer niche in today's example. Prayer niche is really a good niche on YouTube. Wow, look at, there's no red. If you see any this 55, 56, these numbers that are showing yellow, if it's showing red, that means that the tag is not okay. All these tags in prayer niche, look at, everything is yellow. The higher the number is, the better it is for you. So you want to make use of the 55, 56, 72, 60, 64 as your tag, that you will go ahead to YouTube and add as your tag. And also look at the description that vidiq is able to generate for us, vidiq AI. Look at the description. It's literally generated everything for us to start a YouTube channel in 2025. All you have to do is just set your phone camera. Everything has already been generated for totally free. Okay, totally free. So guys, please, I want you to make use of the 3 AI tools I mentioned on today's video. If you are just starting out on YouTube, if you want to get views on YouTube, or if you want artificial intelligence to automate the whole process for you as a YouTuber. Okay, I wish you guys good luck on this one. As that brings us right into the end of today's video. I would love for you guys to share this video to anyone that needs to see this video. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always in my comment section, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.